Hello, Clark Sharks. It's Mrs. Wright. I'm here to talk to you about our second iReady diagnostic, which you will take in the next day or two. And it's really our goal is to get you prepared and pumped up so you are ready to do your very best on the diagnostic to help us know what you know. So you might be wondering, well, why are we doing this? So let me explain. So this diagnostic is going to help us celebrate all that you have learned since the beginning of the school year by working hard, learning new things, and participating in your class lessons, small groups, and doing your iReady minutes and lessons. It will also help us know your progress towards your goals, so your math goals and reading goals. It will also help your teacher and the school know how much you need to know before the end of the school year. And last, it helps you get new lessons that are just right for you. So everyone's iReady is specific to their own needs. So the things that you need to learn and grow in, which is pretty cool. So how does the diagnostic work? So iReady is an adaptive test, and that means that the questions change based on your answers. So some questions will be hard, some will be easy, and some will be just right. So what should you do when you are taking the diagnostic test and things get maybe a little bit tricky? Well, first, try your very best. So don't rush, but also don't spend too much time on one question, especially if it's something that you haven't learned yet. And if it is a question that you don't know the answer to yet, that's okay. Just choose the best answer and move on. And remember that the diagnostic is important because it helps you and your teacher understand what you already know and what you need to learn. So that's why it's important to do your very best. So some helpful tips are to take your time and do not rush. It is not a race. We want to use this time wisely so we know what you know. And read each question and answer those questions carefully. And if you get a question that you have not learned yet, like we've talked about already, just try your best and move on. And after you finish the diagnostic, you'll get new lessons that are specific to what you need. So if you were feeling like things were a little bit too easy on iReady, that means you're ready for some new lessons, which is exciting, some new learning and helping your brain grow. And if you do try your very best on the diagnostic, the lessons will match, like I said, exactly what you need to learn. So that's why it's important to do your best. So reflection questions. These are some questions to think about to yourself and also share with a partner or your class. So why is it important to try your best on the diagnostic? What strategies do you plan to use on your iReady diagnostic? And what do you want to remember? What do you want to remember, basically, when you're taking that test? One thing you could think about is having positive self-talk and telling yourself that this test won't last forever. It will end soon. And it's important to do your best and stay positive if things seem tricky or hard. That's okay. That's why we're here in school, to learn. All right, have a fabulous day, and we are so excited to see all that you have learned so far in this school year. Have a fabulous day.